Hey there! Are you struggling to customize, optimize, and secure your WordPress site without writing a single line of code? You're not alone. Many people find themselves overwhelmed by the technical aspects of managing a WordPress site. Whether it's dealing with complex plugins, navigating through endless settings, or simply trying to make your site look professional, the challenges can seem never-ending. Many WordPress users face these same challenges every day. It's a common struggle that can lead to frustration and even giving up on your website dreams. But it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing the Advanced WordPress Mastery course by DigitalBuzz Academy. This course is designed to take you from feeling lost and confused to becoming a confident WordPress expert. This comprehensive, step-by-step guide empowers you to master SEO, Elementor design, security enhancements, and theme plugin customization, all without coding. You'll learn how to navigate the WordPress dashboard with ease and make the most out of its powerful features. Imagine easily customizing your WordPress site to look professional and polished, boosting your SEO rankings, and protecting your site from security threats. With the right knowledge and tools, these goals are entirely within your reach. With Advanced WordPress Mastery, you can achieve all this and more. You'll gain the confidence to tackle any WordPress challenge that comes your way. Inside the course, you'll explore essential WordPress settings, navigate themes, plugins, and widgets, and optimize your site for SEO using tools like Yoast SEO and Google Site Kit. These tools are industry standards and will give your site the competitive edge it needs. You'll get hands-on with Elementor to design stunning landing pages and company profiles. But that's not all. You'll also learn how to create engaging content that keeps visitors coming back. We dive deep into security enhancements like two-factor authentication, changing login URLs, and using top plugins like WordFence and SecureEye to keep your site safe. Security is a critical aspect of managing a website, and this course ensures you're well-equipped to handle it. And for a limited time, enroll now and receive our free bonus ebook, Mastering WordPress Troubleshooting Advanced Techniques for Every User. This ebook is a treasure trove of information that will help you troubleshoot and resolve common WordPress issues. This premium ebook is packed with expert solutions for debugging plugin conflicts, fixing performance issues, and securing your site from threats. It's an invaluable resource for any WordPress user. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to fully customize WordPress themes and layouts, implement SEO best practices for improved search rankings, and design professional landing pages. You'll be able to create a website that not only looks great, but also performs exceptionally well. Plus, you'll know how to secure your WordPress site from potential threats and integrate powerful tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. These tools will help you monitor your site's performance and make data-driven decisions. Don't miss this opportunity to take your WordPress skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this course has something for everyone. Transform your website into a high-performing professional site, all without writing a single line of code. The possibilities are endless when you have the right knowledge and tools at your disposal. Enroll in the Advanced WordPress Mastery course today and get instant access to the bonus ebook. This is your chance to take control of your WordPress journey. Empower yourself to build high-quality WordPress websites confidently. With the skills you'll gain, you'll be able to create websites that stand out and perform well. Don't wait. Take control of your WordPress site and unlock its full potential with DigitalBuzz Academy. Your journey to WordPress mastery starts here. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link below to enroll now.